Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this image. It's really sharp. It's actually transparent because you can see the checkerboard background. And they just want to put a cut line around it and they're going to do a sticker. So I've already done it and I'm going to give them a couple of hints. So for the one I'm doing it for, I don't think you'd want to make a sticker very big, but this thing was huge when you sent it to me. So I reduced it in size for Corel to trace it better. I'm going to go trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art, which I use 99% of the time. And you can see some white right in here, so I'm going to go remove color from entire image, and when I do that, you get that. But it doesn't do anything harm. So that's the way it looks. Now, let's just delete this one. To make a contour line around this, you don't ever want to contour it a color. So I'm going to hit the plus key and move that over. Then I'm going to left click and I'm going to right click because lately I've been contouring in black. And it's all one group. It's a group of 21 objects. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside, 0.1 with rounded corners. Let's watch what happens if you don't use rounded corners. You get some sharp parts. And if you did it, like if you did this like 0.25 with sharp corners, you would get that. Unacceptable for a. So use rounded corners, and I'm going to go 0.1. Now it's going to contour something that's inside, but if we take the contour or select it all, go up to Object and break the contour apart, and then grab just the black contour, you can see all the garbage. I'd go to Object and break the curve apart, and then when you grab that, the garbage stays away and you just get the exterior. Now I'd go ahead and make this a red so we'll know it's a cut line and move it over to our, the only thing I don't like about it is this space right in here is a little too close. So you could still take that line, contour to the inside like 0.02, and see how it got just a little bit smaller. Let's go a little bit more. Let's go 0.03. And then break that contour apart, grabbing the red contour, deleting it, and getting the new contour and turning it red. So now your space is a little further apart. That's a pretty cool graphic, pretty good vector. It really traced really well. So that solves a lot of problems. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.